We just got in these black labeled Cherokee toy haulers by Forest River, a new line that we just started carrying just in time for hunting season. Let's check it out. This one is an 18 RRBL. You do have a front bed up in here. You can get your toys all the way to the front and to the back. It has solar on it, and it has a 150-watt inverter already on here. You have a front bathroom that's very spacious with a tankless hot water heater and plenty of room in that shower so the shower curtain does not stick to you. You have a pantry back here, a 12-volt fridge, lounging seat, or turn it into another bed if you have guests. Look at all this countertop space. You have an air fryer microwave, which is pretty cool. Nice big farmhouse sink. The railing on this goes all the way around so you can lounge, hang out. Up here on the deck, you do have mount for another awning that does come with here, so you can have some shade while you're out here hanging out. Come check it out. Bobby Combs RV Center. It's not going to last long. See you soon.